How about you?
I'm good too. Okay, let's start ya guys. So tonight's topic is about hobbies and leisure activities. But before we jump to the topic that we will discuss, I will remind you that our goal is to improve our speaking skill. So you guys need to be comfortable to speak as well, yeah. So there is no right and wrong because there is no judgment in here. So please feel free to speak out your opinion. Just feel free like we are chatting from friends to friends, yeah, guys. Okay, hello Kak Adeline. Hello. Good evening Kak Adeline. Can you hear my voice, guys? Okay, okay, maybe Kak Adeline not ready yet. So, okay, let's jump to the next topic. So, as I already informed you guys that we will play some games. So here it is, our first game. So we will like do like a role play, not a role play. I mean like act out, like yeah, guys. So we need to act out what are our hobbies, like pretending like we are doing our hobbies, and the rest of us will guess. Okay, do you got it? Please give me thumbs up, yeah, guys, if you got it, or you can also ask me if you didn't get it yet. Okay, let's start. Okay, who gonna start first? Is it me as well? As usual. Okay, then I'll start from myself, yeah. So you guys have to respond by guessing. You can either turn on your microphone or chat on on the chat box, yeah, guys. It's just as comfortable for you. Okay? Okay, then for me, my hobbies is, please guess. Hmm. Oh, not seen on the camera. Is it seen? Okay. What do I do? Can you guys guess it? Yup, Kak Dinda guess it right. Yeah, workout. Yeah. Specifically, I like to do yoga and Pilates on my free time. Anyone want to guess? But I already said that Kak Dinda is right, yeah. That's okay. Actually, at first, my guess is meditation. Yeah, it's kind of meditation as well, yeah, because it's yoga. So like for mindfulness, guys. Okay, then let's jump to you. Who gonna start first? Because Kak Dinda is correct, then Kak Dinda should start first. Okay, Kak Dinda, are you ready?
It's easy, guys.
Mm. Anyone want to guess?
Easy. Reading or scrolling.
Yeah, it's kind of like mixing. Yeah, scroll.
Like this.
Them scrolling or reading.
Because this. Mm. I think like
Yeah, more like scrolling than flipping the page, ya, Kak Johanna. I agree with you.
okay.
So what's the correct answer, Kak Dinda?
Reading.
Oh, reading. Okay. So I'm also like to read actually, but because I know it already that you might also like doing reading, so I choose to act out a workout instead. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Dinda. And then Kak Johanna. I'm really curious what's your hobbies, Kak.
Baru bisa.
Culinary? Oh, where is Kak Yohana? I can see it earlier. Could you please repeat, Kak Yohana? Oh, mukbang. Yeah. Mukbang, guys. Okay, everyone is correct then. Who'd like to be the next? Kak Mahar or Kak Adeline? Oke, Kak Mahar dan Kak Mahar. Don't say like that.
I love that too.
I love that too. Everyone loves that. So, yeah, sleeping is your hobbies. Why you are so funny, Kak Mahar? So relatable.
For me, it's not just sleeping. Lately, I just want doing nothing.
Doing
Because
nothing.
the love is expensive lately for me.
Yeah, I know. Sleeping is like something like expensive for us, for the adults, yeah, guys. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Mahar. Then the last is Kak Adeline. Yuhu. Listening to music.
Listen music.
Oh, okay. Is it correct, right, Kak Adeline? Your hobbies is listening to music.
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, we'll talk about music and movies for Wednesday, yeah, guys. So watch it out. Okay, then because everyone already talked about their hobbies, so let's jump to the next slide. Okay, as you guys already state your hobbies, so you need to answer these three questions based on your hobbies that you already show us earlier. Why it's fun, what you learn, and how it feels. Okay, for start from me, yeah, as usual. So because actually, I want to talk about my hobbies that is reading. Okay, then that's okay if you want to talk about your another hobbies that besides your that you already mentioned earlier, because I want to do it as well. So my hobbies beside I love to do yoga and Pilates. I also like to read as Kak Dinda. So why it's fun? Because reading can give me an experience to like experience someone else's life through the pages. And what I learned because I read mostly is romance and thriller. So what I learned is I learned to be more empathy towards everyone. So also I learned to be more careful for our words so it will not hurt anybody else heart. So and how it feels? Yeah, it feels exciting to read every book. So what about yours, guys? We'll start from Kaidelin.
Okay. Why do I like to watch movie? Because actually my top one hobby is watching movie. I love how the plot is usually it has mind-blowing plot twist. I do love a horror and mystery genre,
Ooh.
and I think it's exciting for me uh, to learn and
Hello? Guys, can you hear what Kak Adeline said? Or is it just my connection?
I think I did it a little bit less.
Oh yeah, maybe. Let's move on to another participant first, yeah, guys, because our time is limited. Then Kak Adeline will continue later. Okay, then let's jump to Kak Mahar. Let's hear what you like from sleeping, Kak Mahar.
Why I choose it's not just sleeping, yeah. It's
Yeah, that's
like
okay.
yeah, warm, because I find it like um, comfortable because I have freedom to not doing anything, and then I think to choose that I feel like a teeny and peaceful for me outside the world, the party world, and then what I learned from that, I learned to not to push my limit too hard because sometimes I got um, too carried away from what I feel. So when I take that sleeping, like or do not do anything, it's like I just relaxing. I feel like exhaling my whole life. I feel like it's like button in my life. When I'm not doing anything, uh, I get to listen my own thoughts, and then uh, I actually think more when I'm not doing anything. Like suddenly I think about my future, or how suddenly I think about to get married. My freedom, yeah, but I'm not taking it too hard. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Kak Mahar. So you are like anybody else like on the social media that you like having a podcast in your own head, ya Kak? So it's same for me then because if I read a book, it's like I'm entering to another new world that is like I'm turning off my real world instead than just living another person's life in that book. Kinda relatable, Kak Maha. Thank you so much. And then what about Kak Johanna?
Maybe from eating or culinary is something like fun. I mean, like I can try various food from a different place or from different place around in Indonesia, and then uh, how it feels. Maybe yeah, it's kind of delicious food, and then uh, what you learn. Maybe I can learn about how to cook how to cook. I mean, how to cook the food. If I can duplicate that, and then maybe I think that's all. Yeah.
Okay, then Kak Johanna, thank you so much for your answer. Actually, I have a question for you, Kak Johanna. So, you
Okay.
like to eat. So, and you mentioned that it helps you to learn how to duplicate that dish. So, you can cook in your life in real world. I mean, yeah. In do you can cook? Do you cook?
Maybe yes for instant noodles,
Oh, okay. So, have you tried?
and
Yeah, yeah. Okay, go on, Kak Johanna.
maybe for another dish, I can do some cooking too. but maybe like this simple food, and then maybe I should find a recipe first for making the food because I think if I need to improve the cooking itself, I think I still don't know how to cook it properly. So I think I still need research to cooking it first.
Okay. Okay, so what is the trickiest or the hardest food that you ever cook, Kak Johanna?
Um, Maybe it's like Nusantara food. I mean, maybe kind of like um, soto or something relevant like that because we need some various of what should we call it? I mean like we should need kind of uh, ingredients for cooking that, and then I think it's quite hard uh, to find the recipe to cooking that. I think.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you so much. Wow, your hobbies is like really cool because I only like to eat, but I cannot cook at all. I've tried, but I mean, like I've tried to cook like the simple meals like nasi goreng or fried rice, but it turns out like too oily. I don't know. Yeah, because I believe that I didn't put too much oil in it, but the result is not as
Yeah,
what
it's
I
okay.
expecting. Yeah. Have,
At least we are trying.
yeah. Have you experienced that kind thing also, Kak Johanna? Like on the recipe, it looks really delicious, but when you cook, it turns out like something that you shouldn't eat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Let's jump to Kak Dinda then ya. Thank you so much Kak Johanna for the answer. Kak Dinda, let's hear from you.
Okay, so why I like reading it? It is same like your reason that you like. It's like come to the new world first, so I can escape from the reality, and that's why I love reading. And then what you learn, I learned about new vocabulary that the writer use. Like sometimes the writer use like beautiful words that I didn't know before, and I learned from that because when I read something, I also open Karibe English. That's why I love reading too. And then how it feels relaxed and fun. That's why I'm not really into angst genre. I love rom-com.
Oh, rom-com girls. Kak Dinda, you are the team of which team are you? Team for reading for physical books or digital books?
Physical book,
Oh, really?
digital. It's like a different part, I think.
So you like
So, but
reading physical books?
yeah, actually I love reading physical books, but because physical book is expensive,
Yeah, I mean in this
so
economy you still reading physical books. Wow.
yeah, I love physical books.
Oh wow, great. I don't know. I like to buy physical books, but it just end up in the bookshelf because I just like to read on my e-reader. So yeah, it's more like what do I say it? Like more comfortable for me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, for your preference, do you like to read from local authors, like I mean Indonesian authors, or you also read from the US authors like Anna Huang maybe or Ellie Hazelwood?
I read the local
Okay.
because I'm still hard to find the US or Western author because the language is still hard for me to understand.
Okay, great, great. Can you give me some recommendation because I rarely read Indonesian authors, Kak Dinda.
Mm, you can read from Terelie maybe for the first time. You can try.
Terelie. I like
Yeah,
his novels. The title Hello, if I'm not mistaken.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's actually
Have you read it too?
not yet. Not
Ah.
for Hello, but the another I have tried to.
Oh, Hujan. Wow, Kak Yohana also
I did
fans
that.
of Terelie ya, Kak?
Yeah, I did that too.
Oh, good, good. So here we are, fans of Terelie. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Dinda. Let's continue to Kak Adeline ya. Kak Adeline, that's okay. No worries if your connection is lost. You can continue, Kak Adeline.
Okay, let me repeat what I said before because it's raining here, so it's kinda unstable my
Same
connection.
here. It's raining also.
Okay, I thought it's fun for me to watching the movies because I love to solve some case during the movie or series as well, and I do learn many life lessons from it. And I usually watch movie using English subtitles or doesn't use any subtitle at all. So yeah, it's kind of my practice too. Same with watching movies. I do enjoy to listening music during my activities, and also on my way somewhere because I don't really like when I am on the outside. Yeah, it's noisy for me, so it's helped me to reduce the noisy outside. And beside of that, I love to do some sports too, like running, and then currently I do weightlifting and
What is it, Kak
yoga as
Adeline?
the
Sorry,
same as Kadinda.
could you please
It's
repeat?
fun because I met someone new and have a healthier lifestyle as well.
Oh wow! So let me guess, you are a fans of Nancy Judge also?
Oh, I'm not.
Oh no!
Uh, I rarely watch YouTube.
Oh
I
because
do watch Netflix only.
oh because
Netflix only movie or series.
oh okay, we'll talk about it on Wednesday. Music and movies, ya guys. So because you said earlier that you like movies genre horror and thriller, so I just guessing oh she must be a fans of Nancy Judge also. So because yeah her topic on
I
YouTube.
do watch her. I have watched her, but on my senior high school, maybe. But for
Oh,
now, I don't watch her anymore.
okay, that's okay then. But have you watched the new release movie called The Housemaid, Kak Adeline? It's on cinema,
Oh, I don't.
but I don't know if it's already on the Netflix or Prime or something. So what's the latest horror
I don't have
movie or
watched that.
what's the latest horror or thriller movies that you watch, Kak Adeline?
Oh,
Can you give us a
currently I
recommendation?
have watched. Currently, I have watched Stranger Things. For
Oh,
now,
Stranger Things. I know, but I never watch it.
Stranger Things.
What it is about, Kak Adeline? My crush is really like to watch it, but I never, I never watch it. I want to try, but it's like I don't know. I don't have a time for it.
I think it's about sorry, I think my connection is unstable, but can you hear my voice clear?
Yeah, it's clear, Kak Adeline.
Okay, so the Stranger Things is about the monster hunting, but there is some gap between the real world and the other world called Upside Down, and the monster is on Upside Down. So on the real world, the people will hunter the monster on the Upside Down, because on the monster on the Upside Down lately is bahasanya attack the real world.
Oh,
It's kind of that.
oh, interesting, yeah. Maybe I'll watch it later because, yeah, your review is so interesting for me. Thank you so much, Kak Adeline. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So, here it is, our second topics of discussion. If you only have 10,000 rupiah, what are you going to do with the money, guys? It's I mean the hobbies related, yeah, not for check out on Shopee. That's okay, but I mean you have to be more creative. Okay, so it start from me. So actually I have a funny experience for about this. So in Bali, if you go to beach, maybe you already have experienced it, yeah, guys. But I just telling my story. So in Bali, if you went to a beach, you just only have to pay 2,000 rupiah for parking only. There is no entrance fee. It's only parking only, and it's already include parking and entrance fee. I mean, it's only 2,000 rupiah. So when I back home and I visit my hometown, there's a beach named Pasir Putih. You can maybe search it on Google. That's okay. Pasir Putih on Situbondo. So the entrance fee is like 10,000 rupiah for one person, and then you have to pay for the parking fee also for 5,000 rupiah for each motorbike. So it's kind of like 15,000 rupiah for each person. It's so expensive for me because I'm not saying 15,000 rupiah is expensive, no, but because I'm already used to visiting beach only pay 2,000 rupiah, so paying 15 rupiah is kind of like expensive for me. So that's why I got into some a little fight, not fight, more like debating with the security guard. I said, why it's expensive? I if I'm in Bali, I only pay for 2,000 rupiah. Then the security guard is like debating on me. He said like, really? What time? What year you visit Bali? I mean, I'm living there right now. Why you say it like that? So yeah, but I just end up like just paying for 15,000 rupiah. Yeah, that's okay then. What can I do? So yeah, if I only have 10,000 rupiah, I will visit the beach on Bali, in Bali, because I live in Bali right now. So what about you guys? Maybe we'll start from Kak Johanna. No check out Shopee, yeah, please. The answer, please, no check out Shopee.
I think I still thinking about food,
Yeah, that's okay,
like
Kak Johanna.
buying some cheap food, like maybe aci. It's kind of telur gulung, something like that.
Oh,
Yeah, you can get various food cheap with the cheap price. And I think that's all.
Okay, so you are going to buy a street food ya Kak Yohana?
Yeah, even as we know, the food isn't healthy yet.
But it's okay for sometimes ya, not daily.
Yeah, once in your life lah.
Agree with you Kak. Okay, thank you so much Kak Yohana. Then maybe we'll continue to Kak Mahar. What about you Kak Mahar? I'm really curious.
Maybe I will choose another hobby.
Okay.
It's with Adele that it's a bit different. I like to hear or watch visual relaxation or audio relaxation like ASMR, uh, like yeah, relaxing for my ear. For the budget, I think I will buy some snacks and then uh, tea, iced tea like
Setuju.
jumbo, and then watching the audio, and then I go sleep again. I think that's all.
Kak Mahar, why you are so funny Kak Mahar? It must be really nice to be your friends in the real life. The wise option, yeah. Why? How can you thought of iced tea jumbo? That's really a nice.
The jumbo can pair with seblak.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, agree with you, Kak Yohana. So black plus iced tea jumbo is the most combo that powerful combo for me time ya Kak. Forget that matcha thing. We only need iced tea jumbo. Okay, thank you so much for your hilarious answer, Kama. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's continue to Kak Adeline. What you gonna do with 10,000 rupiah, Kak Adeline?
I think with 10,000 rupiah, I will
Agree with you, Kak Mahar. Sorry ya, Kak Adeline, for interrupting. Just go on, Kak Adeline.
okay. I think if I only have 10,000, I will take public transport and visit some place such as park and just buy some snacks here because the public transport such as Transjakarta costs 3,500 rupiah. So for the one round trip, it needs 7,000 rupiah. So I will buy snacks that cost 3,000 rupiah.
What is it? What kind of snack that is, Kak Adeline?
Maybe such as otak-otak because I like otak-otak goreng.
Otak-otak.
But maybe I prefer to bring some foods from my home and just staring around there because I like to sit and doing nothing.
Okay. Okay, you guys really funny. Thank you so much for your answer, Kak Adeline. Yeah, correct. Yeah, is ayam geprek is for mendang-mending Kak person ya. Also agree with you, Kak Yohana. Please don't eat too much junk food like that ya, guys. It's okay if it's just like once a week or once a month, but please don't eat it on your daily basis ya, please. You guys still young, please. So okay, let's jump to the last person, Kak Dinda. Please, what's your creative thoughts about this, Kak Dinda?
Because the budget is limited, I think I will same like you guys. I will take out the snacks and then will accompany me to read the book, or maybe when I get some space or new fight, maybe I can go to my public library in Malang, so I can go there by bus. It is 5,000, and then I can go back to my home with that bus too. So I don't bring any food. So it's just for my transportation. I think 10,000.
But Kak Dinda, reading is not enjoyable for me if I'm not snacking also.
That's why I need to choose for snack or for the fight.
Maybe you can go there on work like walking. I mean, yes, then you can use your money for food instead. like like you is there you guys do you guys know Cilok, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you can spend it on Cilok then. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for your hilarious answer. It's really making my day. Okay, so please don't read the caption while singing, yeah, guys. That's okay too, if you want to sing. Do you guys got me? Or my joke is receh? So it's not about the money, money, money. Yeah, do you guys know that song? Yeah, so do you think having money is important for a hobby? Or can we still enjoy our interest even without spending money? Okay, I will start first. I think it depends on the hobby, but for me it's important for having money, yeah, guys, because I love reading. So I need the money to buy books, of course. Although I'm more like a digital reader, I still have to have a money for the subscription, yeah, guys. For like the Kindle Unlimited, it needs money. You cannot pay using Live. Yeah, so yeah, for me, I need money for enjoying my hobbies, but I'm still also can enjoy it without spending money also, like maybe like, yeah, Kak Adeline said, we can go to the park and just enjoy the scenery, like relaxing. That doesn't need money but still need money if you want to go for snacking. Okay, that's from me. Maybe we'll start from Kak Mahar. Really curious what she gonna say this time.
We need money if we want to have a best relaxing sleeping in the world like that. And the below, if we don't want to get hurt on our neck, we need a profit pillow. And then actually my hobby is not really spend a lot of time, but like if we, like I said before, if we want to comfy sleeping, because my hobby is like that, yeah. So I think, yeah, if we start from zero, we need bed, we need pillow, and then we need blanket. And then, but if we have that basic, I think we don't need a lot of money, see. But money is important. Who don't want money, right? Like money, yeah. For my hobby is not really ini ya, like, yeah, like that. Thank you.
Thank you, Kak Mahar. Kak Mahar, why you don't just like join stand-up comedy for real? I mean, I didn't expect it that you gonna say like we need money for pillow. I mean, if you are really tired, you don't really need bed at all. Like if you are in the math class and your teacher gotta be like really boring, you just can sleep at there at that right time. You don't need pillow or bed.
But like I said before, if we want to have the best sleeping, we need the best facility. So we don't get hurt. Our body doesn't hurt.
Kak Mahar, I really recommend you to join what is it, stand-up comedy, Kak Mahar. Really, 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 please. You should try, Kak Kamahar. Thank you so much for your.
Also, like, I am comedian, but I'm not sure.
Why you are not sure? You are really funny, right, guys? You agree with me that Mak Kamahar should try to join stand-up comedy?
Kind of cringe, and I think what I think it's just normal for me. It's funny for them. I don't know why.
Because I don't expect it. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for your hilarious answer for the second time, Kak Mahar. Let's jump to Kak Dinda then.
Oh, I think my hobby is also with money. So I think all with money. So, but if I have no choice, so maybe I can use like free resource or go to the public library or join the community so I can get the access. But yeah, it's still I need money for buy a book or yeah, for Kila like subscribe a story in the Kindle or anything else. I think it's important money.
Yeah, in this economy, who doesn't need money ya guys ya? Okay, thank you so much for your answer, Kak Dinda. And then let's jump to Kak Adeline. Kak Adeline, I think you need to turn on your microphone first. Kak Adeline, can you hear me? Oh, really? Maybe we'll jump to Kak Johanna first then ya. Then we'll continue to you if you're already ready. Okay, ya Kak Johanna. Let's hear from you. Oh, why is that?
For me, I think depends on the activity you spend. Sometimes we can require to money, like Kak Dinda and Kak Mahar said. But we also I've been thinking some activity maybe doesn't need money. Maybe can running. We only running or walking. We just using our shoes and then just do the activity as well. But if the activity is culinary as what I love, uh, it it really net up money to buy that, or maybe reading a novel. We should buy the book. We can like just steal it from Gramedia.
Yeah, correct, Kak Johanna. You cannot steal ya, guys. Please don't do it.
Yeah, I guess it depends on what the activity we need to money or maybe less money or maybe doesn't need money at all.
Yeah, agree with you, Kak Johanna. Kak Adeline, do you still cannot open your mic? Nope, we cannot hear
Yes,
you.
yeah.
Maybe you can try to leave the meetings first, then join again later. I mean not later, right time. Oh yeah. Oh, no voice again, Kak Adeline. Okay, let's jump to the next slide ya while we wait for Kak Adeline. So, investing in hobbies. How do you budget for your hobbies, guys? Is there a hobby you would love to do if money was no object? Okay, I'll start from me. Then for me, I don't really like doing like the investing on my budget because I'm still saving for like buying a house and a car first. That's my priority right now, so I don't invest on my hobbies. But if money doesn't, what is it, no, was no object. Okay, we'll try to hear from Kak Adeline first ya. Kak Adeline, are you ready, Kak?
Is my voice clear?
Yeah, clear.
Um, I think it's important to have money because I need some stuff for doing my hobbies. Like when I'm doing yoga or gym, I need to buy their stuff like mat and then hand gloves, and also for my membership fee. But I still can enjoy my hobbies as well. Beside of that, that costs nothing, like watching movies from illegal websites. I know it's wrong, but I do it sometimes when Netflix don't release any movies that I want to watch, and I still can listening music without pay anything, even though Spotify has some ads that annoying sometimes. But I think it's okay.
Kak Adeline, it's just for formality, you know. So, but please don't do it again, Kak Adeline.
Yes,
But it's okay, because I'm doing it sometimes.
I doing it
Please,
sometimes when
please don't
Netflix
judge
don't
us ya,
release
guys.
any movies when from their platform. So I choose to watch movies on illegal website instead.
Yeah, I think everyone have experienced that illegal things. Who
But
doesn't
I'm
ya?
doing it
You're not
sometimes.
alone. Yup. Correct, Kak Dinda. As long as it's free, why not?
Yes, it
Okay.
costs nothing. So
Yeah.
I will do this. I will choose
Thank you so much,
that
Kak
costs nothing.
Adeline. Okay, let's move on to the next slide ya guys. As I stated earlier, I don't invest on my hobbies. I mean, I have a priority right now. I want to buy a car and a house if it's possible in this economy ya guys. So yeah, if money was no object, I will like to do traveling to Europe. I really want to visit like Sweden, Swiss. Oh, it's really my dream country to visit. What about you guys? What's you're gonna do if money was no object for you? We'll start from Kak Dinda.
Okay, so how do you budget for your hobbies? Actually, I'm not really put some specific budget for my hobby because yeah, the physical book is expensive. So right now I try to find free resource to read a book like Wattpad or Webtoon. But yeah, I think my hobby is not really much priority right now. And then for the hobby, would love to do if money was an object. It seems like you got Dylan. I will choose traveling to. I will traveling maybe every week if money was not an object.
Every weekend. What
Yeah,
country then that you like to visit, Kak Dinda?
actually, I'm curious to visit Malaysia. I want to try the near country first.
Oh, really? Malaysia. Oh, why? What makes you curious to visit Malaysia?
I'm curious about the food like nasi lemak and
Nasi kandar.
yeah, kind of like
Yeah.
biasa.
I've been visiting Malaysia once in 2018. I'm visiting Penang at that time. Yeah, I was joined in like kind of like how do we say it, like competition, like yeah, mathematic competition. So yeah, I was the represent of Indonesia at the time at 2018, and the competition is held on Penang, Malaysia. So yeah, I've been there and I've tried nasi kandar once in my life. It was good. It was good, Kak Dinda. You should try it if you have a chance in the future, Kak Dinda. And please let me know your experience, ya, Kak.
Noted.
Okay, thank you so much, Kak Dinda. Let's hear from Kak Mahar.
How do I budget for my hobby? Actually, I don't budget with my wallet, yeah. Because for me, the cost of my hobby is the art, it's like the time. And if I do spend money, maybe I follow the price per use rule. I rather spend a little on high quality tea or a comfortable pillow that I'll use every day than on expensive equipment I only use once a month. So actually, basically, for now, I just thinking about how I relaxing in this state. But I want to have um, much hobbies that will grow my skill. So, but it's not like I just have sleeping hobby, no. But it is for now.
Yeah, yeah. I get it, Kak Mahar. Okay, so let me ask you, Kak Mahar. Is it okay if I'm asking you, Kak Mahar?
Okay.
Yeah, so because you like talking about your hobbies, which is sleep from earlier. What about you if you have a couple, a boyfriend, maybe in the future? What you gonna do with him?
Um,
I
I don't think
doesn't didn't mean to be rude, ya Kak Mahar. Just like joking, only.
but I don't think we sleep together, yeah. But yeah. But if it urgent and I don't have any option, yeah, maybe.
Why you're really funny, Kak Mahar? Okay, thank you so much, Kak Mahar. Maybe we'll continue to Kak Adeline. What about you, Kak Adeline?
Okay. I usually spare my salary for my hobbies like 20%. I would spend this money for my monthly spend or for long-term plan. Same as Kadila, I want to do trip somewhere. And then if money was no object, I want to go trip to Japan as well because I do love Japanese food and we'll do culinary here and there. And I also love Japan views. And in terms, I love some Japanese movie too or anime as well. So it will be more exciting for me to hunt some merchandise and visit the place that I saw before on the movie.
Okay, thank you so much, Kak Adeline. Wow, you like to visit Japan. So, are you fans of anime, Kak Adeline?
Yes, I do.
Oh,
From any.
what's anime that you like to watch? Your comfort anime that you like to recommend for us who is not a fan of anime, Kak?
Because I do love to watch some fantasy or romance anime, I would recommend Wotakoi for romance, and for fantasy, I like Jujutsu Kaisen or Chainsaw Man.
Oh, Jujutsu Kaisen. I've like often to heard about it. What is it about, Kak Adeline?
Uh, I forgot the plot because it's been a long time ago I watched it. But I think it's same with the Stranger Things one. It's like Monster Hunter, something like that. Monster hunting.
Wow, cool. But I don't really a fan of anime. So yeah, thank you for your suggestion, Kak Adeline. And then the last is Kak Johanna. What about you, Kak Johanna?
Maybe for me, if I should budget for my hobby, I think yes, because my hobby can be expensive if I buy uh, expensive food. And then maybe for uh, the second question, I think I kind of agree with Kadila about traveling because uh, traveling is something like I would like to uh, doing, and then maybe uh, the expensive sport like maybe tennis or uh, maybe what paddle maybe uh, something like require money for the exercise and then for the another equipment, yeah, something like that.
Oh wow, great. So you like to do pedal, Kak Johanna?
Honestly, I never tried before, but the tennis I have experience on it, and I think the technique is kind of like badminton for the service. Uh, from what I learned in tennis before.
Okay. So you never tried pedal? Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Let me join from my tab again, then we'll take a documentation, yeah guys. I accidentally add the end button. I'm sorry. Okay, because it's already 10 p.m. here in Bali. I think we're gonna end this meeting, yeah. So please wait. I'm gonna. Okay, please wait. I'm gonna share screen again. Okay, let's take a picture, yeah, guys. Are you guys ready to take the picture? Okay, let's pause, yeah. I will count to 3, yeah. Okay, ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3. And then the second picture. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the last. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for joining this meeting. Yeah, do you guys have any question for me? All good? Please give me thumbs up if you are clear, guys. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. See you on Wednesday. Bye bye. Have a good rest. Love ya. Sarangyo.
See you
Thank
guys.
you.
See you. Bye bye.